Welcome to Homegrown in the Kitchen. Hispanic cuisine is known for bold flavors, fresh ingredients, and nutritious recipes. Today we're going to use ingredients common to the Hispanic cuisine, but with a twist. Fish tacos with avocado-mango salsa. First thing for our fish tacos is going to be the seasoning blend. Making your own seasonings at home is a great way to reduce the sodium in your recipes. So for this recipe, we're going to start with 1 tablespoon of cumin, and then 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and then 1 teaspoon of paprika, and then 1 teaspoon of salt. So I'm just gonna crack some of my salt. And finally, some fresh garlic. So 2 cloves of garlic. Here I have one that's a slightly bigger, one that's slightly smaller. So our garlic is all chopped up, and then we also have our seasonings here. So I'm just gonna take a fork and just blend these together. Next, let's talk about fish. You could use any firm white fish that you like. We want 1 pound of fish. If you're not much of a fish fan, you could end up doing maybe some shrimp if you're a seafood fan, or if you don't like either of those, you could always just do a pound of chicken breast. So I have a pound here of swordfish, and I just cut it into 4 kind of equal pieces just so I can fit it in my pan and it can all cook evenly. And what we want to do is you just want to take your seasoning blend and coat all of your pieces of fish. Now, with a skillet over medium heat, you want to heat up about 1 tablespoon of olive oil or canola oil. The fish will cook for about 2 minutes per side. If you have a thinner fish, you're going to cook in less time. Here I have swordfish, it's a bit thicker, so it's going to take a little bit longer. So while our fish is resting, we're going to get started on our avocado-mango salsa. For this recipe, we want 1 cup of chopped avocado. So 1 cup is going to be a really hearty handful or a big fist. I think a nice kind of chunkier avocado is good for this recipe. That way you can really see it. So all that into a bowl. Avocados brown really quickly once they touch oxygen, and we can blunt that by putting some citrus juice on it. So we want about 1 tablespoon of lime juice. That's gonna be about half of a lime. Perfect. So next up, we wanna look at adding some red onion. So red onion is gonna add some really pungent flavor to this salsa. We only need about a 1/4 cup, which is gonna be about a 1/4 of this red onion. Along with our red onion, we're gonna add some green onion. We want about a 1/4 cup. Next, let's add our mango. So mangoes are a staple in Hispanic cuisine. They're used in lots of different recipes in lots of different ways. So you want about 2/3 cup of mango. So I'm just going to take some of these slices and chop them into smaller bits. Our final ingredient for our salsa is cilantro. Cilantro has a great, bold, really intense flavor. We only need about 2 tablespoons. So that is it for our salsa. I'm just gonna toss all of these ingredients together. You can make this ahead of time, probably in the same day. We don't want the avocado to get too brown on us, but that lime juice is in there to help. So our swordfish is done, and I went ahead and just sliced up the swordfish into about bite-sized pieces. Our salsa is ready, and then for our tortillas, what I did is actually just some corn tortillas in a dry pan and let them toast just a bit. Tortillas are really important in Hispanic cuisine. They're used with lots of different dishes all throughout the day. So getting a good quality tortilla really can make a difference here. So we're gonna take our tortilla and fill it with some of our swordfish, again, that I just chopped up into about bite-sized pieces. Kind of filling the bottom of our corn tortilla. And then we're gonna do a spoonful of our salsa. Tons of colors, lots of flavor from that cilantro, from the red onion, green onion. I hope you enjoyed these Hispanic cuisine-inspired fish tacos with avocado mango salsa.